Welcome to my channel Home Chefs. Today we are making vegetarian momos. Home Chefs, today we are preparing momos, and to make the momos I have taken plain flour, which is maida, and this is 1 katori, and I'll be taking 4 katoris of the maida. And after that I'll knead the dough, and I will also add 3 teaspoons of salt in it. So let's begin. As you can see, the 1 katori is equal to 100 grams, so the 4 katoris is equal to 400 grams. Chefs, this is 400 grams of plain flour, and this is 1 teaspoon of salt, and you can add 2 teaspoons. It's fine. And this is the lukewarm water to knead the dough, because we need the dough which is softer to make the momos later on. Okay, so let's knead the dough now. Chefs, after kneading the dough for with about 150 ml of lukewarm water, I'm going to sprinkle some of the olive oil on the dough, and then I'm going to put it on it like that, and I'm going to leave the dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes to get it ready. So we'll cover it with the plate and then let it rest for 15 minutes. Dough is getting ready, so I'm going to prepare the filling in the meanwhile. So I have taken 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 inch of 5 to 6 garlic, and 1 inch of ginger. And in the masala, I'm taking 1 teaspoon of pepper. Salt will be according to your own taste, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And to make the filling, I have taken 200 gram of chopped cabbage and 2 carrots. And this is a Szechuan chutney, which is optional. If you have, you can add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan chutney in the filling. And I'm using all-purpose seasoning as well, 1 teaspoon. And this is olive oil to cook it. So this is my pan, and let's start the filling. 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pan. Let the oil cook a little bit. Then firstly I'll add the garlic, ginger and green chilies. After cooking these 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to add chopped onions. Cooking these 3 ingredients, I have added the chopped carrot, and we will mix it, the carrot. And after mixing it, I'm going to add the chopped cabbage in it. And as well as the ingredients. Now mix it. So we are not cooking the filling properly, like not the whole. We'll make it half cooked. Cook the filling for 5 minutes, and as it is 5 minutes are over and it seems cooked, so I'm going to switch off the gas and rest this for 10 minutes. Chefs, our home, like you can see, our momo sheet is ready. Now I'm going to add stuffing in it. So this much of stuffing for 1 momo is fine. We shouldn't take too much, because otherwise the momo will not stick and it can break. So I'm making this shape for those momos. You can also make it like that. And then just do it. So this is our one momo is ready, and like that I'll be making all the momos. And after your momo shapes are ready, then I'll be taking a cooker. You can take any pan, and this is my water strainer. You can use this for the steaming. And firstly I'm going to put 2 glasses of water. And then I'll put 1 cabbage leaf on the strainer like that. So above that I'll put my momos, and obviously I will switch off the gas first, and then I'll put my momos, and then I'll put the lid. And with the help of the steam, I'll put the flame on the slow mode so that it can properly cooked, and the momos will be finely cooked after few minutes. But to check, you should check after like 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. And then, home chefs, if your first batch doesn't come out good, that's okay. This is my second batch, and as you can see, they are coming really good. You can see because we have taken the less dough, so we can easily see the filling, the shell of the momo, and you can see it's coming very good. And now I'm gonna serve these, and for that I have taken a plate and I'm putting on it. My 400 grams of dough, I made about 30 momos, and these are the momos which are left. And so I thought to store them, and to store them what I did, I half cooked them, like I had half steamed them, and now I am going to put them in the freezer, not to defreeze it, just in the fridge like normal. And when I have to eat it again, like I can keep them for at least 24 hours. Do not keep them for more than 24 hours. If you saved some momos, just eat it in between the 24 hours, that would be fine. But before eating, just take it out from the fridge and put it in the steam again, like that, as I showed you earlier. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching the video.